politics don't put we the end. Opposition, our politics don't put we the end. Ruling party, our politics don't put we the end. Oh, we are the
Wait. You just never have a gladi. For make it be say, you don't know what's in the happen now we are?
Not so gladi. I just need talk about the way our politics gone bad inside we are right
Why
now.
you call them bad?
It's because all my rights are protecting your interest. Nothing other in the interest of we are again.
Well, we are wait small. That one is not important for now. You dey imagine for see a police officer turn wrong as in Buku party now we are?
But in that not a man get to enjoy.
Yeah, but if you say it proper or it pure for make a policeman there on duty, you go drink wrong, he pass back my system.
Well, that is against in code of ethics, code of practice. It's not supposed to know.
Well, this now what's it happen?
Hey, what do you retire for talk? For saying police officer, they on duty, this shark bad one.
When you see a post, must know how the thing choke me.
Not tell me say that thing will happen our Waterloo. Then
look, this police officer, he there on duty, he go sit, don't be a steering. Now what's it happen? He don't go bang somebody inside we had we don't lose it life.
Yes, they say he bang two people them. He bang one Okada rider, he kill him straight off. He bang one picking back and walking foot. Oh, we had that.
Yes. Family, una good evening. Una see no more now. Sigalio. A policeman and come bang so today na 5-5 sports. Me face side then. When they come back, they come for confess people. Fire tear gas, humiliate people. People don't do nothing. They catch them, then beat they how they want. When you see no more house alone on time. No easy. The driver I don't check policeman back go, policeman truck back go. I ain't come bang. Kill the Okada man instant with them broke one picking foot. When they come back, they come fire tear gas. Beat people and catch people and go to them. They all don't do the bad. Oh, na see no more now the country. Yeah, na 5-5 spots. 5-5 na Lompa Waterloo. And my own side then, now this thing happen so. Catch people and then policeman and they say because now they get power. Oh, na see no more now. How the country they go? How don't turn now?
Well, the people now this week you always talk now we are where people they come at we, they call we say we na this, we na that, they curse we.
But I not feel say this for me problem for you.
But it look like say the way how things they go right now, it we know the second kind here. The police officers them, the soldiers that now we are, they just lose guard. Everybody they do it if you for now.
Well, somebody this morning they tell me say the caretaker and the soldier man, so the police and the military personnel they don't get enough right for do anything where they want for.
Of course, one time before me now we are police officer and soldier man they don't argue say this now we government.
Yeah, really, what do you think? Not the government.
So for say police and soldiers are now politicians?
Well, no, not to politicians, just that the government now give more priority to them because then the caretaker while then secure and sober and
well, family una help with this. For say the police sector not serious again na salon when are we at?
I want to ask you now one question. This BN10, then pull report say Parliament now the second corrupt institution inside Riyadh.
Let me say at the very outset that the Parliament of Sierra Leone is not a corrupt institution. Still less, the second most corrupt institution in Sierra Leone.
The Speaker of the Saloon Parliament, Honorable Dr. Abbas Cherno-Bundu, not been waste time for denied Tranga one allegation of corruption inside two perception survey report them from the Institute for Governance Reform, IGR, with Afrobarometer and the Center for Accountability and the Rule of Law, CAL, we say some Saloon people think say Parliament are the second most corrupt institution in the country. The Speaker of Parliament take the opportunity for respond to the two reports them with one blow inside one press conference with the Saloon Parliament call Wednesday, September 30. Indeed, the Speaker of Parliament been fire back the two civil society organization them. We don't make the leadership of Parliament not get waste for Sidom and even confidence for worker with the aid up eye in the public because of the perception survey report them. We come out na do but 1 month now. Dr. Abbas Cherno-Bundu be make am clear say Parliament gets the power from the Salone 1991 Constitution, Act number 6, for make law for the country in peace and development, for look inside the work where the executive they do, and Parliament, no doubt, na the lifeblood of the country in democracy, from up to down. So the Speaker confirmed with no doubt back say, for sake of this, Parliament not forget corrupt people them at all. But when the perception survey report them now, we say Parliament corrupt. This na the big question with the Speaker of Parliament being forced confront for answer.
Therefore, for Parliament to be accused of corruption, it must of necessity be viewed as committing a crime analogous to treason, the crime of betraying one's country. It strikes at the very heart of our central nervous system, and that must never be taken lightly. In such circumstances, Parliament must either emerge triumphant or atrophy.
As you hear, the Speaker of Parliament say this na the biggest charge or quarterdeck where Parliament don't ever get from where they make them. And during this term inside the committee room number 1, even if pin drop, you will hear the sound with the Speaker of Parliament. They take in term for put in word them together for pull Parliament in name and shame where it don't look day now.
We also know that our accusers are all men made of stanner stuff and occupy a special place in society. Precisely because of this, we, the accused, must hold them and them alone to bear the undivided onus of proof. And the evidence they must adduce must be of unimpeachable quality. And the standard of proof cannot be anything less than the highest possible standard. That is to say, proof beyond all reasonable doubt. Indeed, the standard of proof must be commensurate with the crime charged. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall settle for nothing less, because it is time we made it pellucidly clear to all our citizenry that in our present dispensation there is no more free license to defame and slander, to curse and abuse, no more room for careless talk, no more room to exploit the public at will. Indeed, no more room to talk and act with impunity. Enough is enough.
The Speaker of Parliament not be make am clear as to what it means say no more room for careless talk, and how Parliament plan for get the proof we want from the 2 civil society organization them. We don't report say Parliament corrupts. But if no more English na been bullet or bomb for kill, even the House of Parliament, outside the Speaker of Parliament, been they make this speech, been for don't collapse and turn to dust because the Speaker been use common and book sense where it dress fine inside first term tranga Cambridge English for massacre the 2 corruption perception survey reports them.
This 5th Parliament wishes it to be known that it registers its utmost objections to the allegations of corruption leveled at it by CAL and IGR for the following reasons. First, both the so-called surveys lack substance. They are based on public perception and not reality. And we say clearly and loudly that public perception is not enough a basis for an indictment of corruption. Second, the perception is that of a very few, some might even say infinitesimal, number of people who mostly reside in the urban areas of our country, not of the multitudes who reside and toil daily in the rural areas.
As he been the talk with all confidence, we plenty people know him for, the Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Dr. Abbas Cherno Bundu, in voice been the tranga, as he be the carry on for flag and weaken the 2 report them, where IGR and CAL pull against the Salone Parliament say that the second most corrupt institution na Salone. Listen to the reason them, where the Speaker give for show say, it not possible for make member them of Parliament be people them way corrupt.
Members of Parliament are neither vote controllers nor responsible for the development of their constituencies. Their function is to scrutinize and pass the national budget each year, from which funds are appropriated to ministries, departments, and agencies of government, and local councils, who are then required to undertake development projects in their various constituencies. This is precisely why I purposely changed the nomenclature of the meager amounts given to MPs to constituency facilitation allowance. That is to say, to facilitate interaction between MPs and their constituents. From the previous Constituency Development Fund, which was a complete misnomer.
He asked for make you not believe the Speaker of Parliament as he been taken in term for was the name of the Salon Parliament clean inside this press conference as you hear him. But although the Speaker of Parliament say the Salon Parliament not corrupt, the Member of Parliament where they represent constituency 03 na Kailaun district, Honorable Indolo Moiwo Givao, give one interview to the BBC this BNTM where he confirm say na true say them as MP them na the Salon Parliament most of the time don't take bribe by Connie and in no shame for Tokam.
It behoves you to be very honest and say the truth. So I cannot shy away from the fact that there is corruption in Parliament. People that have been nominated by the President to go to Parliament for approval. I know for sure for pre-legislative hearing, yes, line ministries do come with monies that is being given to parliamentarians that attend. It's still public knowledge that during budget hearing, parliamentarians do ask line ministries to bring forth monies before we could hear them, or if they don't come with monies, we will withhold their budgets and the like.
Right now, Honorable Indolo Moiwo Givao, when I've been the chairman for the Legislative Committee at the Salon Parliament, don't lost this imposition as the leadership of Parliament don't pull this position in hand, and according to the Speaker of Parliament, more disciplinary action than a vote for Honorable Givao. The Speaker of Parliament been end in statement with something like threatening remarks to the civil society organization them. More so want them, we want venture for talk about the work with Parliament they do.
To the civil society organizations similarly involved in making frivolous and unsubstantiated allegations against Parliament, I would advise that they take full notice now, together with their financial backers, that appropriate steps will soon be taken by Parliament to redeem its good name and reputation.
But we be talk to journalists them after this press conference, and Ulavali say he not feel threatened at all by waiting the Speaker say.
We do not feel flustered, we do not feel threatened at all. I think the bond of oversight, because Parliament, civil society and you the media really need to work hand in gloves to ensure that there is stronger oversight of government. If any one of those arms, if Parliament is weak, we will not be deterred to say that Parliament is weak. If the media is weak, we will not be deterred to say that the media is weak. In this case, we have spoken to people. Carl spoke to people. The Institute for Governance Reform and the Afrobarometer, they spoke to people. The people of Sierra Leone are saying that in the rank of public institutions, Parliament, in their view, it ranks second in corruption. You cannot fight that. What we need to do now is to sit down and they ask our questions. Why are people saying that? How do we correct it for the better? We cannot choose to fight it. If we continue to fight it, we'll lose the challenge of addressing poverty, we'll lose the challenge of addressing cohesion, we'll lose the challenge of addressing national accountability.
This not just part 1 of 3-part series report with Black TV Online. They do forsake a corruption allegation against the Salon Parliament, and the response to the Salon Parliament self-don't give to this allegation for clean in name and pulling self and shame from waiting the public they think bottom. For Salon Parliament Eye on Black TV Online, Mina Abdullah Black the reports.
Speak of the house,
Olam.
And ask me question too.
I'm surprised why make Ifomona the Speaker of the House of Parliament.
But where he had the same soup?
Well, I make that out because if you knock on to the door, you can't through the window door, they accuse you now say you are corrupt. What's another thing? Where the Speaker for vex?
No, but wait till I ask you now. Before this me brother cut me off. Let me ask you this question. Let me do a survey quick because Parliament wants this survey. It writes for say Parliament are the second most corrupt institution inside here. You have now vote for freedom in the comment section.
Are they inside the question?
No.
But we say na Yadonia.
You don't begin tell me say he personally.
No, if you ask question we had, me self concern, yes, me I don't answer. Parliament now the number one and the biggest corrupt institution inside we are. Because you the speaker with the vex so you don't can inside that seat the proper one as per law. Now through the way they come.
Anyway, my name na Aliyu.
And me na Justin.
This is the program.
We are
no good on side. We come back Jason.
The right hairstyle can make a plain woman beautiful and a beautiful woman unforgettable. Do you know how to do a wonderful hairstyle by yourself? Like this, and this. If you don't, then don't worry. New Looks is here to help you with that. This channel can teach you how to do all type of hairstyles, and that can save you lots of money. All you need to do is to press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. New Looks with Sexy K.
Politics don't put we be a ruling party. Politics don't put we be a opposition. Yeah, you know it's you. COI, Commission of Inquiry, first term caretaker, arrest by power, by force, or by invitation. Okay, no. We know the be and come again at freedom. We did go question my host inside we are Namakeni. No, if in fact we they call her now the Anti-Corruption Commission, the office where they Namakeni. The first thing I take, I open the Anti-Corruption Commission office Namakeni. First thing will be the biggest fish we will go inside the Anti-Corruption office Namakeni. What did happen inside we are? Okay, this na journey something the Commission of Inquiry. Or na just because of personal interest. Now which or now which one and defend? No. For say na nothing.
Wait, you call a Commission of Inquiry?
COI, then on Constitution.
Commission of
Inquiry.
Well, me I call a Commission of Selection.
And they understand say they go grip the man by power till this morning.
Well, you know say now people away then they behave like chameleon.
No.
Wait, they turn so. First they say they invite them.
Yes, indeed.
Second, they say then they go now he host make he go take statements.
Then go there.
Third, they say that they invite him now the Anti-Corruption Office na Makeni.
Namakeni. Okay, and the other
one? Before, they say that they go take her forcefully.
But then they not to public one, no. Now just them behind information and me tweet.
Yeah, but leak. You know, say the plan they no good.
They try to plan and that way, but we had to get yes all side.
But for say that people are serious for fight this corruption or na comedy movie.
No, it's serious. Can I tell you, I serious. And we begin then.
How?
Hey, Alpha Kam, evidence the last government. Now I don't support this government to work with them.
When
they don't commit no corruption.
Now I tell you say na selection fight, not to anti-corruption fight.
Okay, Musa Talawali, we open up big Freetown Mall. He get money in all that the mall all thing. Now in salary where they be the PM during maybe the as minister. Now he use for open that.
Well, now they you take say their people are not serious for fight corruption.
But wait to I see when me come in journalist Amadou Lamanaba, he said a week since the white paper that accused them of alleged corruption was released. Dennis Vandi and Baba Fortune are still serving as agricultural minister and secretary to the vice president respectively. So they accuse them two people also of corruption inside the commission of inquiry, but then still now minister of agriculture and then now secretary to the vice president. Oh, we commission of inquiry.
Commission of selection.
Huh? Nobody woke. Because the gas take away the beginning. Now that one they are the beginning.
And now let me tell you, in the most serious note, Usai, them people that don't make, we all, majority of we call not use the name, the word say we all. You get people that when they hide and open so but they know they see. Then get brain but they know they think. Yeah? The party picking away if they say then they don't want to know about the goodness of the country, then just want to know waiting the benefit them for the moment. You know, all them things how they see, don't tell we say, them people are not come for fight corruption. Them people are just come for fight people where they feel say they are threats to them.
Okay, wait. And also I want to go to former caretaker. And it's like
no.
Wait. That baby host na McKinney. That host na Godrich.
You don't know?
But wait, if the former caretaker, he come on a power, then say they check him, na problem.
You don't know?
Before we go, I want to play one video for you.
Go ahead, but I'll still continue the topic.
Now, another suggestion which is topical and has caused some controversy is I actually think we need lifestyle audits. I was Solicitor General. I worked as Attorney General. Why should I be afraid of being checked if I didn't steal? I should be asked what I have, how I got it, and when I tell you that it's from allowances, I should prove that. If I tell you I have businesses, let me show the businesses, but I should also show what tax I paid. We must all account for the wealth we have. Otherwise, don't go into public service. I have heard some rebuttals about this lifestyle audit issue and saying everyone should then do it. We can't target people. Does everyone handle public money? Those of us who choose to enter these public offices should be open to accountability. When you are in public office, you are not a private person. There is no privacy. If you drive a Range Rover, we want to know where you got the money. Because you are in public office. If you wear a Rolex, we want to know where you got the money. Otherwise, you don't qualify to serve, and you shouldn't serve in those offices. And that would be true no matter which party came into power. Progressive organizations do lifestyle audits. I don't know.
So, if we form a caretaker and clean, let no vex, let go.
Well, this, it not just gets for do with the former caretaker, as we try to say. It gets for do with everybody now we had, we tamper with, we had in money, we tamper with, we had in property, we're not supposed. But if una come, una just make a selection of people who una feel that everyone are threats to una.
No, I'm not doing.
The only
thing I will tell you about this commission of inquiry, anybody will not agree for dance to retune, anybody will not support video in the one-off selection, anybody will not agree for car work with we, the commission of inquiry, they find guilty.
I can understand. Anybody will not comply with the new direction, the SLPP power.
The new direction.
New direction. The commission
of inquiry.
Yes. Of course, because we don't see even the APC where they point at.
No, not to the APC, the last government officials then.
And they come.
That's a long party government.
We all know seen at the APC.
No, ruling party, our politics don't between
this is not a
opposition. Listen.
We know and yampi them inside the former regime. Where they own, the commission will be even need for judge them. You look at the society, you know, say they have been babalatif. where then, because now they dance to the tune of the present regime, they not call them now this commission. Don't they select people them, they know themselves, and then when they do the selection.
If you name Justin, call one person, CID no one after it. Not to COID one after it, and CID, call one name.
And then what do they say? The SNPP new direction of our government, do you have the big one focus on something where we, the people, and we are the point at. But this, Unadipa lost track, honestly. Unadipa lost track, Unadipa missed the way. From when I come, na 3 years we go so. Unadi no more for blame people. Yes, Unadi blame people. As Unadi make case on them people there, Unadi make for we some things they hold the points, finger and say, now this we don't achieve during this time of pauper new direction. I know say why they talk so. Some of una una. Some of una don't send me now say no they are not care. But for make you know say waiting at the talk, not to see why they talk for toxic no more. Una listen to a pastor where they all the way in Nigeria, waiting he preach on this video and waiting they go on right now. Now we are make una help me judge.
One of the things I said to somebody who is not a minister, I said, please, there will be a big problem if your leader begins to probe people in the former regime. When you say you hate corruption, you start fighting corruption from the day you become president. You don't go back to arrest people who were stealing money when you were not president. That is corruption. Because you were not their boss at that time. You have no reason to put them to jail. That is corruption. Because if they investigate you, some of the times you went for presidential meeting, they gave you an envelope. You are also corrupt. It's corruption. You do not jail people who were not under your watch. Am I communicating? But because they don't know, in a sane society, they will take him to court. Because it's a distraction. It's a diversion. It's a diversion. Almost 2 years, you are blaming the past regime. You have failed. You have failed. You have failed. Let me shock you. Can I surprise you? Dollar is how much now? 420 something. Dollar will get to 600. Go and write it. God told me 2 days ago. God told me 2 days ago. He said, son, dollar. Wait. God told me 2 days ago. He said, son, I was praying about the country. God said, son, it will not get better. Dollar will get to 600. Write it. You say, I told you. Listen, you say, oh, how can a leader say we did not wait? How can a leader say we did not meet any money? Government do not inherit money. You inherit structure. It is structure that brings money. Am I talking to somebody here? It's structure that brings money. So that's the problem. That's the problem we have.
And you don't see, you don't hear. Now this point are the drivers. When you just there, you talk taka, like people the wrong spot inside Poto.
But wait.
I not push at now.
If person corrupt, they don't for run after them.
They for run after them, but if for be genuine and pure.
Okay, wait. If person be don't serve in the last government, they're not supposed to ask them if they're not satisfied in them.
Therefore, ask them, but not for include everybody where within that circle. Not pull because this person deal with you now. You not judge them for it if you don't do. No. Come on, go ask.
I think I'm in mind.
Talk to the people.
With the launch this Lungi Bridge self.
After the white paper issue, they launch.
Wait. This white paper, I've been telling you something, say, when you study for politicians say they do research for able for divert on ideas to certain things then where they want follow and focus on. And I've been telling you.
But behind the scene, I always tell you, say, them people that feel say they're smart.
Yes, they do.
They're not smart.
They do, They do. But just that the people themselves don't be smart.
Because as you talk of the Lungi Bridge, now you would also don't display t-shirts them, ashobi them, cap them, say, we can't make yange because of the Lungi Bridge, where we can commission. At the end of the day,
hold on. Let me listen to the jubilation. Now we party officer.
The last advert now they do so. The polo then do the last advert. So do ya? When I come by the polo then now, the polo then in a party office. Now the last advert this show. Final day. Lunge bridge.
Hey, give me the.
Now come by the polo now look out. And the 19. Mark the date. The 19 Lunge bridge. The 19 Lunge bridge. The 19 Lunge bridge. Now the 19. Now come by the polo there. Look the polo there. All man they come by you. Anybody know the part of this Lunge bridge? You know animal of Mama Salo. You don't want to see the betterment of this country. Papa, His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio for succeed man. Una see this na bagbatikale, yeah. Bagbatikale. Una look the polo there. All man they buy. Una they sit down. Una no buy left una. Una na enemy of Mama Salo. Una see na party officer. See we flop. All man don't count. All man they grab your polo. The lapade don't get 3 types. The one they go for 50,000 for one lapa. The one they go for 35,000. The other bag they go for 35,000. Bagbatikale, look out, the polo there. Hey, Bagbatikale, this Lunge Bridge. APC, we don't finish soon now. Lunge Bridge not the inside President Julius Maada Bio manifesto, but President Julius Maada Bio don't make it clear to the Israelians. They say Lunge Bridge if I make, I would make an at the northern and they get that progress day. But a lot of people that they don't enjoy. Bagbatikale APC, this you don't camp out now back here. Lunge Bridge. Una look the polo, all man they can grab you last minute. Can't grab you last minute. Not forget, mark the date. The 19. APC, we now go to focus, say President Julius Maada Bio know well. What thing they go successful under government and progress they take place, development, they don't come some 41 township road there and other provinces. Una depend Baku talk, say the man don't fail. Hey APC, usa una yaide, blind, insa una head or insa una mouth, na de una yaide. The pardon succeed here, His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio. The polo then they don't so, the lapana then they don't so, the cap na then they don't so. Una sit down una depend Baku talk. Una come by Kenemabo, Kabalaka, Elam Pujo, Moyamba Bont. Musaiba, Makeni, una come by, uno say Makeni, uno get APC day again. APC, una no say una sida Makeni, una say an escortman day. What you do for una? Nana road maintenance una depends 11 year. It making your entrance for go Makeni, it make a decent one. Usa una the public toilet, the bus pa una the last day, una know that there, but people then suffocate through that day, so they end up for die because of the toilet insane. It won't make party office for now. Now, I don't think so for good medical facility inside the north. Now, this Maya in 2 years, they say it don't fail, but it don't make girls school for now. Put local, though it don't go binti, it don't go make 100 bedroom hospital for now. Kudos to His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio. Today, we don't go back now. Watalon, tell Lompa area, they give them solar light, street light on your light, because no say Baku come right and they survive through water. When they sell them cold water, then Gijabia, Daibita, other things there, you know. This money, I get humanitarian feeling, you know, say development a part of human capacity. So APC, what you left again? 35 years, if you don't fail in life, not blame His Excellency President Julius Maada Bio in government. Blame the APC. Now they don't make it fail, yeah? Because you got Stephen and Joseph Side Momo. SI Korman be Madigoma. Why make them not get a symbol? Because of them believe say they're not Madigoma. Now make them go take Momo, then go get the power. So that it also clear say APC now then they preach about tribalism and division at this country. When I come by the Lunge Bridge, yeah? Lunge Bridge has Swabina do they don't so APC. Maada Bio don't finish una ya. Una sit down for long bench. 2050 na Israel una go think about una. If una change you, if una not change na Bamba Kayaka, una all go die with stress. Caustic soda, we dey wash una with iron brush. APC.
Una we normally we launch to bridge, we dey launch jump the 19.
The 19 of what?
The 19.
The 19 of what? Because I know the one to be giving.
So the 19 the launch.
The 19 of September.
The 19, not only September, we say the 19.
Today they almost.
Today they almost. Now the 19 okay. You know something in the contingent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You brother, you sister, you party, you watch me. Then guy, they not serious. Now don't choke up. The 19th of September. Today is the 3rd, my brother.
No, they don't say September. They say the 19th. We don't ever call the month. We say the 19th. You feel say we don't pull polo, we don't pull ashobi, we don't pull cap, we don't pull banner for nothing. It's not possible.
Well, we don't say it's not possible, but it's possible for bring something they can distract with attention from the launching of the bridge.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's tell you something. The Lunge Bridge, that did happen. How it happen? Because we happen inside Riyadh, now for we all now Riyadh, we enjoy the Lunge Bridge. Would that normally happen? It will live in Gambia. Let nobody no feel say it not the right. It is right.
But now what's that?
The 19th.
The 19th of what? But get courage, yo.
19 is the right. Anyway, me I not can't today for long more. But waiting at this thing, I heard the other day Joseph Kamara, that lawyer, that first day anti-corruption commissioner, that first day attorney general, they talk about the former caretaker. You mind for listener?
Well, not for me, but law player, so we people in our yard, that's it for listen.
We Ibidi Kitemwe in have been president. Firstly, how the clients received this letter?
Well, I thank you for the opportunity when I give you to respond. To start with, we acknowledge the receipt of this summons. I don't get specific instructions from a client as yet as to how you receive them, because may not see it or we not get to debrief it. But I could quickly address the issues where I and they talk about. It's several issues and the way they look into. In the summons coming from the ACT, you have to be very specific as to what are the issues where they try to deal with. You must point out to the person where you investigate which you call them for. Let you know which if you can respond to. So when it is shrouded in secrecy, or you say several issues enable make you know, I hope that is not what is in the notice. But that one they will address that when I see the notice today. Then they talk about executive orders. That is an interesting legal development. But I see a try to escape from that one day. But we will pursue that angle when the time comes and not to hear what they talk about that. He also mentioned about the Commission of Inquiry reports and matters from there. We don't see say the reports don't come out, the white paper don't come out. And we clients don't respond. They don't send a message out. He tell the people of this country he is very disappointed of the outcome. He tell the people of this country, say the defamation where this government don't take upon them, he touch them. And they don't feel happy about it. He tell the people of this country, say for 10 years, he don't serve them very well and diligently. And him don't recognize the fight against corruption, and he'll always be part of that fight. And he ready to make sure, say, he stand by every way we don't do and ready for defending himself. But today, if this government with the CK, then they go out for try for destroying reputation, tarnish in good image, they go do all that they can in your power within the law to address those matters.
All right, Mr. Kamara, as you don't begin make mention of the response where your clients don't make so far since the commissions of inquiry done and the white paper where governments pull. Firstly, your clients accept the thing them where they inside the commissions of inquiry government white paper where they against them?
Not at all. Not at all. Not at the very least. Because even when women appear before the commissions of inquiry, we put up a robust defense. Disappointed we are all at the end of the day, despite the defense, despite the reports we will present, despite all the information that was made available to the commission of inquiry. One, for suggesting this man able build in Oswe a bill, again the means to do that, without politics. Two, for suggesting the things the way he give approval for, he give the approval within the confines of the law as the sitting president and for promote good governance. For example, when the Rokel Bank was failing, he approved for letting give Rokel Bank loan for let the bank not fail. Today, Rokel Bank are one of the successful banks then, and then they pay the loan to government. Despite all that, the Commission of Inquiry say for pay for that loan day. What in the happen so? It's strange. And interested feel bad about it. So tomorrow, if this government says they do something, if bank they feel they're not for help them, many other issues, none of them they accept. But again, according to the law, we forgot at the Court of Appeal, and we will be there.
As you don't say, when I go get for going to the Court of Appeal regarding waiting in the government's white paper from the commissions of inquiry. Yes, when I go get for going to the Court of Appeal, but again, we don't see another list where don't come out where you clients in name day for say and not supposed for travel because of these investigations where they go on. How wanna take this?
Again, it's the same point. We believe that members of the All People's Congress have been harassed. There was a ban on travel before. People we don't even do within country, then come the answer to the call. Nobody not left, nobody not go anywhere. Now there is a judgment. Is there a security of flight? Like how can say, possibly run away? Nobody no one go inside. So then what we see again, then ban people enough for travel. His Excellency, the former President, Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, gets international appointments and engagements. So clearly it is designed to stop him from fulfilling those engagements, subject him to the rigors of having to come back to State House or wherever, to the office of the Attorney General for reports that want travel. They let them decide whether it's for travel or not. Why they not go wait, let the court go decide that? Because now there is a judgment. While they is busy, they address the issues of appeal, they don't impose a ban on them and several others. So what is it? Why they don't wait, let the appeal exhaust its time? They say 30 days, sometimes they say 90 days. Even if it's 90 days, why not wait until expiration of the 90 days before not take any executional steps?
So you advise your clients not for travel at all and wait until the case done?
Not at all. Depending on the kind of opportunity we go avail itself or the request you then will make, because he is ready to serve the globe, the whole world. If his services are needed as a statesman, then definitely no go sit down. If we have to, whatever policy we have to follow to ensure his travel, we will follow that. He will travel, he will meet his commitment, and do what he has to do as a statesman.
All right, so now let me go back to the issue of the Anti-Corruption Commission sending an invitation to RAM. You go for advice for come over on Monday because according to the ACC, the invitation we then send to RAM now for let him come as a person and not send a representative.
Well, we get a major concern on that because the protocol we be done left at the ACC. Mind you, I was a commissioner for 6 years, the longest serving commissioner ever. When you get matters of that nature, of a profile person, we prepare the best set of investigators who obtain a statement from them and come back. Because waiting they talk now in host or wherever you go take the statement, now the same thing they can talk back. Why would you want to subject him into the rigors of harassment, into the rigors of any other thing by say, except he can inside the building? What we used to do, we would send investigators. It was done in the case of Victor Fo, it was done in the case of Sam Sumana, it was done in the case of several other people. So, but if the protocol now is for him to come physically, I think there is a breach in that and it gets your own security attendance consequences. So therefore, yesterday, I called on the Commissioner of the Anti-Corruption to suggest that why wouldn't you send your investigators to obtain a statement peacefully and come back and continue investigation if at all? His response was well. He's looking into that suggestion and I'll hear from him.
All right, so does that mean it will get for come on Monday na the Anti-Corruption Commission office?
Well, as I said initially, I have not got to debrief with my client yet. I don't know waiting at the summons. I don't know the date and I have not spoken to him.
They don't get a confirmation where you hear it from the ACC representative where talk na the interview for saying that then write na the letter where you they wait for see.
Well, me they take instructions from a client. And then my client get for talk. Not to wait in there see Bayanda or wait here they read in the paper. When me and my clients to engage and not waiting the instructions, we as lawyers, we go by what our client says and the instructions is what we work with. And then we advise accordingly.
All right, so as you left at the program now, the whole commission of inquiry, the white paper where the government pull regarding that, how you go describe them on behalf of your clients?
I will just describe them as the pursuit of harassment, the pursuit of damage plan, the pursuit of a damage avalanche. Try for through the kitchen at him. Take all kinds of things into it. The man has been quiet. He has been a statesman. He stayed above the fray. You know, mix for nothing. He said him out. You know, talk nothing. But do ya send the car away, he do so. And I would always say.
When I do that to this issue, but wait, how people intention for this caretaker invitation? So, what happen? A big boy caretaker. Then they say today, you know today, you know not tomorrow. The world where we dey, so yeah, you for take 10. Caretaker, former caretaker. Nothing lasts forever.
Well,
if today not for you, tomorrow will be for that.
That's not life.
And we can't take away the right file. It just depends no more in salary. In salary, no more. Anybody can tell her, caretaker, pushes her, and not take any envelope to them. And then minister, they ask you, I hear one day somebody tell me about Swahili, that minister of information. One baby they call her, Pa, that business will be sale. I say, no, you know, they send the 3 million for it. That's no money for her. Now, pocket money that day. It's more money. They're all right, all the ministers they right now. Now, their salary, they're above pan. They know they take kickback, no nothing. Salon is straight on the power by government. No corruption no they happen. No corruption. In fact, this is not the last commission of inquiry. Oh, they ever get a salon.
No, but you not lie. No corruption no they happen right now we are. But I'm mixture box up in we are right now.
No, then they give them, then they take the money, they no more legal one. You know, see, they get sense so. Now, maybe they make that first chart on the general. Say, spend no check. You know what I mean? Spend no check. There's nobody no for check, right? Now, this thing already they Pandora us and then they want for balance.
We don't even know the direction right now.
A new direction.
Now, misdirection.
No.
Now, misdirection.
No. New direction.
Call me any name. Now, misdirection.
Now, new direction. All the issue them for the week. One night fit me pass all.
And I also understand.
The speaker say, then they run after Carl. For where they tell them, say, they corrupt. Then at the second institution corrupt us all.
No,
but I like one thing really happen. Inside we are, when you praise them, they not they ever ask you for your facts then. But when you go after them, they say you don't bias.
But behind the camera, we don't tell you say, for any time they talk about corruption, you measure the speaker in name day, and not they even continue that discussion there.
Now I also the Commissioner for Anti-Corruption Commission go on radio. It make most for civil society and they find it where say inside this regime the ACC and corruption don't reduce that I think to 40% from 70%. Then gladly. But now when they say the House of Parliament corrupt, that's it. They say corrupt. No can be problem.
You don't know.
I'll give me problem.
You know
they are the fellow do a survey. Now to say the House of Parliament corrupt, yeah, una help in the comments. That's it. Una help in the comment section. That's what they say. Comment section. I think we for the left now.
Well, you know, we all know what's in the happen right now. We don't waste time on this particular topic today. Because me, I just know say them people are a bunch of comedians them. Because I got only act comedy movie, they all left salon, go sit down at different countries them, so no get comedian again. So if you don't get other recent comedians, there's no problem.
Not to that day, me the issue of we had self right now, it fits me again. I don't know, I don't detire for talk. And it fits me again. I don't detire to throw on the television. And not fit me again.
Well, I think we're going for waste with time on this particular one. Una way they curse, una come back and curse. Una way they come for call me names, una come back and call me names. We na all my own. Any side you put we, na de we dey.
You don't subscribe, you don't watch me son. You enjoy the programs, you don't subscribe. Yeah, help me know. Knock the subscribe button for me, yeah. Put on the notification bell. If you like this video, if you have pressed the like button for me. I'll get something for tell you. The other day, I've been telling myself we'll get for release another channel. We'll get two beautiful ladies there. We'll get for they do some good things there. Not a politics, so they don't mix at all. Then call sexy new looks. SEXY sexy NEW new LOOKS new looks. Then they do different things like ear for if you Sabina way. Then they do some dishes them. They as well they do things that like the African and beats them on so. So If you want to learn how to do some of the things in there, check out that channel there and press the subscribe button at that channel there, okay? That will help you a lot, especially for the young ladies then. You will learn plenty things there and then you save plenty money, yeah?
The right hairstyle can make a plain woman beautiful and a beautiful woman unforgettable. Do you know how to do a wonderful hairstyle by yourself? Like this, this, and this. If you don't, then don't worry. New Looks is here to help you with that. This channel can teach you how to do all type of hairstyles, and that can save you lot of money. All you need to do is to press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. New Looks with Sexy K.
Now Wednesday did begin.
And we have my people, as usual, you're in season. Though we try for around and now, but still, now we try for protect yourself from rain problems where they happen. If rain they come, now we do what we supposed to do for make we move from the accident that we were attacking cause. Now we are end the issue of the white paper. The brothers and the sisters them. Now we know how to aid, now we take time, now we see which the
I forget to tell you the issue of that arrest day. Now people are waiting come out to sign. Therefore, now the special one they don't put together for go arrest the former caretaker. Yes. Or they go arrest her by force, Tamakeni.
Well, that's fine. If
how they arrest her?
If they're not saying a genuine thing that they do, come on, we do with them. But if not a genuine thing, they will get the result of them. I know they asked me of
how will they arrest the former caretaker?
I know they asked me 8 on that particular topic.
I see some small people they don't begin go to map. Yeah. Well, you know, not enough before them, then they it's a me, there they go. Me then Aliu. If you see me na street, not call me, I for call Justin 1 grade because na they will see why.
And my name, na Justin. The last advice, if una see police motoka, they can road, do ya, the people them, una give them wood. Because now, we don't find out, say, most of them, where they sit down behind the steering in the day, na chakilo them. Bye-bye, until we meet again in the next program.
Yes, subscribe. You always dey watch we program them, but you not subscribe yet to the channel. All waiting you get for do, press this red subscribe button, and then you come over here and press this bell. To the bell option, press this one with all. And done. And no get for cost you anything. When you do this, na sign for show say you dey support we for make we do more. Thank you for we don't help we for share this program. Yeah, God bless you.